Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to episode 2 of hashtag Sewing Menswear 2023. Today's garment focuses on the men's t-shirt, and I know this is a very basic garment, but yes, this series is basic and leading up to more complex or just some garments with a little more technique in them. For this garment, I used one of my husband's ready-to-wear t-shirts to make 2 new t-shirts. Yes, he actually got a 2-for-1. So what I did, I went into my Sew It Academy courses and I followed course number 4, tracing a ready-to-wear t-shirt to make my own pattern to make a new t-shirt. The first t-shirt was actually a wearable muslin, and then the second was a t-shirt made out of fabric that he actually liked. He liked both of them, but it was one that he chose. So he actually got a 2-for-1. The size of these t-shirts are medium. That's what he wears in ready to wear. So I'm classifying this as a medium since I did use that t-shirt pattern. The black fabric I've used before. It is a ITY jersey knit and it fits perfectly. It was the first garment that I was able to put my newly received labels into, and I'm excited, very excited about those. The second t-shirt is made out of this fabric here, and this is a pop fabric that I purchased from Joann's. Description is CC Camo, and the colors in this are orange, gray, navy blue, and like a tan beige color. So when I saw this in Joann's, it caught my eye and I knew I had to have it. So don't be surprised in the future if you see a matching garment for myself, okay? Anyways, this pattern was very easy to sew. If you are wanting to learn to sew or to trace garments, there are videos here on YouTube, but there are none like Mimi G's courses in the Sew It Academy. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link in the description box below. You can do a free trial for the first 5 courses. If you don't have to put in any credit card information, so don't worry about that. But I am enjoying this menswear journey. It is giving me much pleasure to be able to make something so wearable for someone else, especially for my husband. And he's loving it, okay? He's loving the photo shoots and everything. I know sometimes it seems like he gets bothered with me saying, hey, try this on, try this on, try this on. But it's all a part of the process. So I hope you can continue to be patient because anything else that I make, we have to go through the same process. So be sure to tune in next week for the next garment. I promise you don't want to miss it. Anyway, I will not bore you any longer. Let's get into these photos.